Are you interested in cash budgeting and getting your finances together and finally being able to save for emergencies and upcoming expenses? Then this is the series for you. My name is Jasmine. I am the owner and the person behind the brand Baddies and Budgets. And this series that will follow is me showcasing how to use different products that come from my shop and an overall view of how to use the cash envelope method. I'm going to be going through different frequently asked questions and doing my best to showcase the product, how to use it, or just how to answer those questions, all right? Let's talk binder sizing. We offer 3 standard sizes, but we also have some smaller variations. The largest binder we sell is A5 size. This one I typically recommend for if you're saving for a new home, a new car, something that typically needs a lot more money. It'll hold a lot more. The envelopes are larger inside of here, so it's really good for saving for those kind of expenses. New home, moving out, apartment, college, your kid's senior year. This binder is really good for that. The next size we have is the standard size. So this is A6. This is what we use most often in budgeting, is the A6 size. So this one typically holds sinking funds, high and low priority, things of the sort. Sorry, the color is terrible and it's upside down. But this is A6 size. So as you can see, A5 is the largest and A6 is significantly smaller. The next size we sell is A7. Now these are cash envelope wallets. As you can see, A7 is smaller than both. This is one that you would carry with you on a day-to-day. This is where you carry those variable expenses, your gas, your groceries, shopping, eating out, your kids, whatever kind of money you're spending on a week-to-week basis needs to go inside of here. And it also has, pockets for your cards and your ID. It has a slot for your change, more card space, and then these kind of flip up so that you can, if you want to throw some receipts or something in here. So this is A7. So again, we have A7, A6, and A5. The other sizes that we sell are mini binders. So mini binders are really just intended to take notes or just to keep for little cutesy reasons. As you can see, this one has a notepad in it. And so these are relatively small. These do come with 3 little envelopes if you did want to throw this one in your bag for your variable spending, but most people don't. This is just for fun. And then we also have a little bit of a larger. And so these are mini as well. These kind of zip around. They'll hold, if you really wanted to use a small one for your expenses, I'd recommend going for the larger one. And also it zips closed. So it could definitely hold your money within there. But these aren't typical sizes. These are super marked down because I won't be carrying them any further. But these are minis. And then lastly, I have tiny binders. And these are just the cutest. You carry these on your keychain here, and they're 2" by 1". You can really put pictures in here. If you want to just add a few dollars for when you're out and want to help somebody unhoused or somebody in need, here's your girl.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Oh, if I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face.